Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to create a poll on Telegram channel using your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Step 2. Navigate to the channel in which you want to create a poll. You can do this by clicking on the channel's name in the left sidebar. Step 3. Once you're in the channel, click on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. From the menu that appears, choose Poll. Step 5. In the new poll pop-up window, enter the question you want to ask along with the poll options. Be creative and engaging. Step 6. Customize the poll according to your preferences. You can allow users to choose multiple answers, or make it a quiz mode where only one correct answer is allowed. If you choose quiz mode, you can also add an optional explanation to the question. Step 7. Once everything is set, review your poll, and when you're ready, click Send. Creating polls on Telegram channels is a great way to engage with your audience and gather their opinions. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.